Look at baby Sasquatch. He's on a boat.
Didn't know Sasquatch on boats, did you?
So we're out sailing on a nice, beautiful day. The wind's 5 to 7 miles an hour this morning. They're going to be picking up, well, supposedly on the weather it said 17, 15 miles an hour. I highly doubt that, but we'll find out later on during the day. But it's currently 10 a.m. and we're going to start our journey out to an island. What you say, Captain?
Going out to sea.
Yeah, we're just puttering along pretty slow, but it is nice out here. Somebody is getting a tow. I don't know who, but it is a sailboat. How do you like working on a sailboat versus a Navy ship?
It's not that bad.
He likes his freedom, tell him that. You trying to pose for the camera, Harper? Sasquatch?
This is how I normally look.
This is how you normally look. Captain couldn't ask for a better day out here. The wind is just right. And the sun is out. Hopefully the sun's gonna clear up all the way to where we're going, our destination. Do not know, it all depends, but we'll find out. Oh, it's lunchtime on the ocean.
Second lunch.
Second lunch. We are Sprouts sandwiches and we're ready to dig in. Yes.
Like, which way does it come?
Harper just lost his hat in the water and we had to do a man overboard drill to get his hat back.
Yeah,
How do you feel, Harper?
We did. It was worth it.
Oh my gosh.
It was good training.
It was worth it. His hat is safe and sound back on his head, so. On a typical day off the San Diego coastline, the sun will be shining over land, but generally clouds will cover further out into the ocean. This will make your gear expand with what you need to bring for clothing layers. In the sun, you won't need much, but the further you go, you'll want a jacket and maybe some extra warm gear. We had a beautiful day for sailing out to the island today, and we're very relaxed bounding over the waves. Today we had a 27-foot Catalina sailboat and enjoyed our time on board. Despite the cloudy weather, the sun still managed to poke through the cloud layers at times. My buddy Everett had never been on a larger sailboat before, so he took a liking to the helm. He learned very fast how to maneuver and adjust the sail to what we needed for the wind this day. Sailing to the island was very beautiful. We had plenty of wind all the way there. We even saw a few bird formations flying by. There's something about wind power you cannot beat on the ocean.
Drawing closer, we figure out the best approach to sail around the island. It is so quiet all around, and your ears only hear the wind in the sails and the lapping of the waves against the hull of the boat. Getting closer, we came across flocks of birds in the water enjoying the fishing grounds.
Say just in time. Be careful up there.
Yeah, so we'll venture off this way for quite a while, and then we'll pop back. That's it. Nice and tight. All right, that's it. Perfect.
By the middle of the journey, Everett was becoming quite familiar with how to operate the different parts of the vessel. On the other side of the island, we came across a pod of dolphins, but we were too far away to get any good camera shots of them. On the other side, we also had to tack a few times to be able to round the island.
In the middle of the ocean.
Seeing the other side of the island was really awesome, and we could see just how big of a bird sanctuary it was. On the way back, we hit the sun poking through the clouds at us. The closer we got to Point Loma, we turned on the engine to speed up the journey home.
Oh man, we just made it back to the dock. I'll tell you what, it's nice to be on land, but it was a nice day for a sail, that's for sure. Big little Sasquatch. Oh yeah. Captain of a ship.
The drone catches for these videos are a bit difficult. I threw both in at the end to show people how hard it really is. If you have a new drone and are not used to catching it while on a boat that's moving forward or up and down at the same time, do not do this. I will admit I've almost lost my drone a few times doing this, but the shots are really worth it to me, so I keep doing them. Hope you enjoyed the video.